Hey guys, welcome back to the Flutter Foundry. Today I will be introducing a new package that I created in order to simplify the steps needed to create Glassmorphism effect in Flutter. I think you are familiar with Glassmorphism effect, but if you are not, then let me brief it. It is an UI element that is trending these days. In this, we create a frosted glass container with blur and transparency with an effect of light passing through the container. You can also head to the website of Flutter packages pub.dev/glassmorphism and learn more about the package where everything is mentioned in detail. The link will be in the description box. Let's start with how you can play with the package. It is hell a lot of easy and simple to get started with the package. If you already know a bit of Flutter, you will be handling things like a pro. Step 1 is to add the dependency to the pub/spec camel file inside the project in the dependencies section. Then you have to press pub-get button that appears in your IDE, or you can type the flutter pub-get command in the terminal with your project directory. After the command gets executed in the terminal, Flutter will automatically add the plugins to your directory, and then you can start importing the packages. To import the package, you can use package /glassmorphism/glassmorphism.dart. Now we can start the code. In order to use the package, we will have to use Glassmorphism container. This returns a stateless widget inside which we can use width and height that is responsible for the size of the container. Then the border radius, which controls the corner radius of the border of the container. Then we have the blur parameter that takes double data type and controls the background blur of the container. After that, we have alignment that controls the alignment. Then we have border, which controls the width of the border of the container. Following that, we have linear gradient for the appearance inside the glass container. After that, we have border gradient for the effect like light is bending through the corners of the container. At the end, we have child, where you can add any widget you want. That's it for all the parameters and how to use the package. You should definitely check out the package and play with it. I will try creating more packages like this and contribute to the developer community. Please check out the official website of the package, and if you found this package useful, then please drop a like button and make it turn blue. And also, if you want to contribute to the package, it is totally open source. You can find it on my GitHub account and poke it and pull the request. If you find any issue or bug with the package, please add your issue or the bug in the issue section of the Git repository and we will try to resolve it together. And also add a star to the Git repo so that others can also make use of the package. If you end up creating something cool and amazing like this with the package, make sure you share it on Instagram and Twitter and tag me there at the Flutter Foundry. I will be so pleased to have a look at it and share it with others. Make sure you follow me there. And that's it guys. Until then, keep coding, keep building.